Hi, my name is Joshua Bruce, and I'm SeaPearl owner, 1993, hole number 370, I believe. And I live up here in the state of Michigan, southern half of Lake Michigan on the west side, right on the Great Lake of Lake Michigan. Do a lot of cruising here, multi-day trips. Planning on taking our boat down to Florida for the winter, as our family has a place down there. Just got back from a 5-day trip, kind of have the boat totally unloaded to clean up, and just thought I would go through some of the items that we carry on the boat, some of the things that we have. Might be good to share with other people, just to see what people carry, how they pack it, and just to learn more. So I'm kind of have everything spread out on the ground here, and just thought really quickly I could go through some of the things that we carry on the boat. A lot of things are pretty standard, from ice chests, throw pads, seat cushions, life jackets obviously. We carry second anchor and second anchor rod. We carry, for our kitchen boxes, we found these storageable boxes at Target that work out really well. They fit down in the hole, and they have a locking top on them. And so we use 6 of those along with the large kitchen box. We carry water in a 6-gallon jug. We also have a 1-gallon jug, and then we carry a couple of 1-liter bottles. So normally, with some water in the ice chest, we have about 10 gallons of water. Extra rope, main sheet, mizzen sheet, extra bag of just miscellaneous. Carry lights, carry these LED lights that are made by Lightning Incorporated solid state. We have one for the bow, one for the stern. We normally carry 3 dry bags. Large dry bag, we put our sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and a tent. We carry a tent, find it easier to sleep on that. Medium-sized dry bag, we put our clothes in. Small dry bag, we put windbreaker, rain pants, foul weather gear that we want to get to rapidly. I always carry a backpack that we put our hiking shoes in. Mooring pole, pump, flares. We have a first aid kit that's in a dry bag, and we also have harnesses, jack lines, and carabiners with lines we need to strap in the boat. Carry a propane stove, some bumpers. This is an ammunition box, emergency toilet, also called the groover. If anybody is familiar with whitewater rafting, that's used pretty commonly. We have a box of repair kits, just kind of miscellaneous things inside, from duct tape, knife, batteries, things for the engine, tools, so on and so forth. Our repair kit's kind of lacking. Probably need to beef that up a little bit. We carry some camp chairs in the boat. Obviously we have the bimini and the tent that goes with it, and the oars, of which that we've never used in our short term. We do have the Honda 2-horse outboard motor. We carry, depending on how far we're going, we have 2 metal 1-liter fuel bottles. This last trip, 5 days, we did take an extra 2-gallon jug, so we had almost 3 gallons of fuel. We motor at about 6 miles an hour, and that gives us a pretty good range. 1 liter of gas, which is 1 gas tank full, will get us about 6 miles an hour. And so you can kind of figure out depending on the waves and everything else. Here's the boat, pretty standard, not too many new additions. Did add those 4-inch PVC pipes down there to hold the fuel bottles upright. Someone's made a nice grid that I don't believe is standard in the SeaPearl. Everything else inside is pretty much bare bones. Nothing too spectacular. When we bought the boat, it had this addition. I know this is pretty common. I forget the gentleman's name who came up with it. A electrical extension cord reel put right around the main mast tube, and that works out great. So you don't get water down inside the hole, and keeps everything dry and dries out. It's really easy to roll up. In the back here, I did buy this basket at West Marine, and I bolted on. It's really great for putting GPS, waterproof, VHF radio, camera, different kinds of things. There's places to clip on inside here. And this one last item right here, I believe it's to hold a fishing pole. I'm not quite sure. Maybe some of you SeaPearl owners out there know what this is. You can see inside, it has an open bottom. But I have not yet to use it. I tried to put a water bottle in there. I think it is held on actually by a fire extinguisher bracket that unfortunately has some bolts on the outside. But that's alright. Hasn't leaked so far. This is some cord that was used for a battery, which now that we have the battery-powered LED lights, that's going to be taken out. And that's pretty much it. Here's our boat, and it's kind of what we carry.